Hello you guys, so as you guys can see, I have the Straight Talk Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, and it has a 6.5 HD LCD display, does have battery talk time, and of course you do have your 5MP, which is your front-facing camera, and of course your 64GB storage. Now, I've actually heard like mixed reviews about this phone, that it's good, the camera is sort of good, but it does, because of the performance of it being old, I want to say this was made in what, 2024? So the performance isn't good because it does lag. But if this is just going to be like a separate phone for you, you could possibly use this. So if you guys want to see in the back, this is it. Try to like zoom in more for you guys. But yeah, it does have an expandable storage. It does have like what they say Wi-Fi calling on there. You guys have the scissors, and I'm gonna open it. There is the Galaxy A15. It's actually inside this like white texture bag inside this clear box. And yeah, usually these Samsung phones, especially these budget ones, tend to come inside these little stuff. Whoa, this feels like a little heavier than my other phone, which is my Moto G. And yeah, let me actually try opening this up. This feels a bit premium just for me because I actually never really had a Samsung Galaxy before. I usually have like iPhones, or again the Moto G phone, which was just recently. But yeah, look at this cool design. I feel like it looks cool. This is supposed to be black, but on camera it looks like bluish to me. Or am I just like going crazy? I don't know, that has a very nice finish and design to it. Look at that. And of course, let's just flip it this side. You do have like your buttons, as you guys can see on the side, and again your camera. Sorry if I'm like a little bad with this. Again, you guys, I don't really do like phone reviews, so I'm sorry if this is like a horrible video, but I'm actually turning on the phone. Let's actually set it up. Here is the phone. It's actually turned on. I do like that welcome screen. Now I'm not going to do a full video on this phone. This is just an unboxing and just showing you this $40 phone that I got from Walmart. Now I'm going to like play around with this phone, see how it performs, literally just go crazy with this for a whole week, and then I promise you guys the next video will be about this entire phone to see is it really worth it for 2026. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on this phone.